All right, today we're going to show you this Jones & Shipman. This is a model 1400. This is a 2-axis automatic. It's currently wired for 220 volts, 3-phase, and it's a size 24 by 8. So that's an 8 by 24. It's running right now. The spindle is on. The hydraulics are on. We have a rapid up and down with this lever here, and we have a safety switch up here that you can set or adjust. It's used for a couple of reasons, but also it'll keep you from going into your table accidentally. So that's your power up and down. This is your vertical hand wheel here. You want to get this back in the gate. Counterclockwise rotation is bringing the wheel down. You also have a fine feed dial that you can turn it like this. You don't want to do that, then you're going to pull that out. Your table starts when you hit this lever. You could use this by hand, by disengaging the automatic feed and then engaging this hand wheel and be able to work the table back and forth by hand. Right now it's disengaged. Your cross feed, which has a wonderful feel. This is a really nice smooth action here. You could work with this by hand, or you have an automatic cross feed. Basically, it would just go like that until you came off your workpiece, and then flip this lever the other way, and then it would go back the other way. So each time you come off your workpiece, you come over here, you make a little increment, and you feed. You also have a couple of dogs on the side that if you wanted to actually set a physical stop so that it would only go so far and then stop, you could use that. But right now I have them spread far apart so that they don't get in the way. You have a hydraulic unit here that needs to be connected. It's freestanding. There's also a nice coolant system. We have it outside the room. We'll take a couple of photographs of that for you. But it sits right over here, and it has a couple of baffles in it, plus a swath tray or compartment. And when it's all hooked up, this switch here will turn it on and off. This takes basically a 7-inch diameter wheel, possibly an 8, I'm not sure. It actually says right here, but we'll get a photograph of that for you. And the bore is 1 1/4 inch, or standard small surface grinder type of wheel. So I'm going to step in front of the camera. Over here, if you wanted to use this fine feed dial, then you lock down the knob in the center here, and then you can feed this with the fine feed dial. And that's what that is. We have a little dust collector there if you wanted to hook up a dust collector to it, or a vacuum. And that's pretty much it.